Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the issue personal hotspot is disabled. That means if you go to settings, here you can see the personal hotspot is off. If you tap on this one, nothing will happen, right? So now you can see the personal hotspot is disabled. So let me show you how to fix this issue. Go to settings and here you can see the option mobile service. Tap on this one. First of all, to fix this one, we need to enable our mobile data. Now here you can see the mobile data is disabled. Turn on this one. After turn on this one, you can see the option personal hotspot. If you go back here also, you can see the option personal hotspot. From here also you can tap on this one. You can turn on the personal hotspot, and if you want to change the password, you can change it, and you can customize this one also. So simply in this way, we can fix the issue. The personal hotspot is disabled on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.